Kamusta mga balibulista? Winalis ng FAO Dennis Tel ang Ikuel Lasal 25-21, 25-16, 25-23. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Benny Martinez sa likod na kanang 1 point at may kasamang 17 excellent sets. Winalis din ng Signal HD Spikers ang Venice Griffins 25-16, 25-17, 25-17. Tinanghal na best player of the game si Empina Guaza sa likod na kanang 13 points mula sa 9 attacks, 3 blocks at 1 ace. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings as of November 22, 2024. FAO Dennis Tel 7 wins, 1 loss, 19 points. Signal HD Spikers 6 wins, 1 loss, 18 points. Criss Cross King Crunchers 5 wins, 1 loss, 16 points. Ikuel Lasal 4 wins, 2 losses, 12 points. PGGC Navy Sea Lions 4 wins, 3 losses, 12 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Savage Spin Doctors 4 wins, 2 losses, 11 points. Venice Griffins 3 wins, 5 losses, 10 points. Marty Limits 1 win, 6 losses, 4 points. The Navigators Iloilo 1 win, 6 losses, 2 points. Chichi Titans 0 win, 8 losses, 1 point. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 24, 2024 nagaganapin sa Inares Sports Arena. Maghaharap ang The Navigators Iloilo at Savage Spin Doctors alas 2 ng hapon. Magtutuos naman ang Ikuel Lasal at Criss Cross King Crunchers alas 4 ng hapon. Maglalaban naman ang FAO Dennis Tel at Signal HD Spikers alas 6 ng gabi. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.